Unlock real-time communication with WebSockets for your applications. WebSockets enable two-way communication between clients and servers via a persistent connection. Enjoy full duplex communication, allowing simultaneous messaging without delays or interruptions. Experience low latency and reduced overhead, making data exchange smoother than traditional methods. WebSockets power real-time applications like chat, gaming, and collaborative editing seamlessly. Building a WebSocket app is straightforward. Start with a Node.js server and JavaScript client. Subscribe for more insights on real-time applications.